Gracilis. Oh, gracilis. This is also an interesting muscle. It's not that important as a matter of fact, but an interesting muscle. All right. This muscle probably is the only muscle of the adductor group cross the knee joint. Okay, cross the knee joint. Proximal attachment, body, all right, and inferior ramus of the pubis. Distal attachment, okay, superior part of the medial surface of the tibia. Now, who's we mentioned before also attached here? Sartorius, all right? So far we have two here, okay? So far we have two. Later we're gonna add one more. Let's wait. So remember this one, this attachment, okay, also on the superior part of the medial surface of the tibia. So what's the action? Well, they could be able to do a little bit adduct the thigh, but it's not that strong. Flex the thigh, it's not that strong, all right? And it helps rotate it medially. What is medially? Where rotate this way? Is that strong? No. Okay, so that's why I said this muscle is not that important because on alignment, there's not really have a good advantage to do it. Okay, advantage to it. However, this muscle is nice strap there. We could use this as a transplant, like a donor. Okay, sometimes need a body, need a tendon, need something. We can use that. Okay, we can use that. Innervation, obturator nerve, of course, adductor group, here 2 to here 3. Arterial supply, obturator artery, all right? Obturator arteries, medial circumflex artery, and the muscular branches of profunda, femoris artery, all right? So also a lot of them. But generally speaking, in the adductor group, you're gonna have a lot of artery supply there. You have more, blood supply there compared to the lateral side.